guys, today we're making simple, delicious, plus healthy tea time cake or savoury semolina or suji cake. You can use any types of vegetables you want, so let's begin with the ingredients. 1.5 cups of suji or semolina, 1 cup plain yogurt, half a cup of boiled broccoli, half a cup of boiled beans, half a cup of grated carrots, a 1/4 cup of sweet corn, 1 teaspoon ginger, red chilli powder to taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, a 1/4 cup of oil, salt to taste, and water required. Firstly, we're going to mix in our yogurt. Now pour in your water. Now once you get it like this, leave to rest for 10 minutes. Now you're going to grease the tray with a little bit of oil so the cake doesn't stick to the tray. Make sure you preheated your oven. After 10 minutes, we're going to add in our carrots. You can use any type of vegetables you want. So we're adding our vegetables, now we're adding our ginger. And your red chilli powder. You may skip this if you don't want any spice in it. Now we're adding in our salt. Now you're going to mix that in. Now we're going to pour in some water to make the batter a little bit thinner. We'll show you the consistency after. This is the consistency of the batter. This is how it should be. Heat up a 1/4 cup of oil in a pan. We're using olive oil. Now we're adding our seeds, cumin seeds and mustard seeds. We're going to shake it around for the seeds to release its flavour. Now pour that in. It's hot. Into your mixture. Straight away poured that in. Smells very nice. The seeds have released its flavour, and we're just stirring that in. Now we're adding our baking powder right at the end and stirring that in. Now we're pouring in our batter into our greased tray and spreading it out evenly. Now finally garnish with sesame seeds and then bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees or 300 Fahrenheit and check the cake until it's ready. Now we're just checking if our cake is baked. When you put the toothpick in, it should come out clean. If it has, that means it's baked. Now with the knife or spoon, you're just going to go around all the edges before taking it out. Now you're going to cut your slices. You can cut them any shape or size you want. Make sure you let it cool down before cutting it. Ours has already cooled down. So here we have a savoury semolina or suji cake. It's a healthy and delicious cake. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below, and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.